I'm Haley.
I'm Brayden.
I'm Justin.
I'm Silas.
I'm Allie. And we're making chicken apple salad sandwich. Let's make 4 sandwiches, and what you need is 1/4 pound of cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup of chopped celery, half cup of chopped apples, 1/3 cup of light mayonnaise, 1 lemon juiced, 1 small box of raisins, 8 slices of whole wheat bread, and you can use chopped walnuts are optional, but some of us don't like chopped walnuts, so we will not be using them. So first, Justin is gonna. Well, Justin and Brayden are gonna do. They're gonna shred chicken.
Right now they're just using 2 forks to split apart.
All right, so what's our first thing we need to put into our bowl?
First,
1/4 pound cooked shredded chicken.
All right, and what's the next step? Because we're just mixing it all together, so I think it'd be okay if we go ahead and put in the apples and the celery.
So now we're gonna add. Wait, we're using that one, right?
Yeah, that bowl.
So do we just grab it and put it in?
Yeah, you need your measuring cups, and then you can put it in the bowl. What you need?
This would be easier if we parted it.
Measure.
Can I just stab it?
How much measuring?
1 cup of chopped celery.
Okay.
Get a cup of chopped celery.
So put the celery in that.
Here's all mixed together.
Go ahead. Pour it all in.
How is it's all together?
Well, how about we just put all of the apples
Is it all
and celery
together?
in there, and yeah, just pour it all in the bowl. How much apple did we need?
It says
a
1
half.
apple.
A half an apple?
Oh, it says a half.
Half of an apple? Okay, go ahead.
No, like half a cup of a chopped apple.
Oh, okay. Half a cup of chopped apple and a cup of chopped celery. Perfect.
Yep.
All right, we know we need 1 small box of raisins. You guys want to go ahead and pour the raisins in there?
1 small box, did you say?
Yeah.
Hey,
All right, boys, how's the chicken coming? It looks pretty shredded to me.
But there's still chunks in it.
All right, keep
it's like
working.
stuck inside.
you gotta bang on the top.
Open it up.
No.
Wait. Hold on. Yeah, that's all of it.
All right, so 1 small box of raisins. How much mayonnaise?
1/3 cup, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
1/3 cup of mayonnaise. You guys
Light
get the mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
Light mayonnaise.
Oh, would you like a fork to
Just
get
got my bad.
You might need a spoon.
Definitely.
Is there any more spoons in there?
Yes.
I think the chicken's shredded.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and add the chicken.
Wait. There's a chunk.
Every chunky monkey.
Okay, there.
Hey, get
Let
1/3
me-
of
let me-
mayonnaise.
Brayden, take it off.
All right,
Good enough.
That was scary.
add
Hey,
the
don't get it in
chicken.
there.
Wait, don't we need to measure it 1/4?
1/4 of chicken?
Yeah.
1/4 cup.
And right here.
I think it's already.
I didn't measure it this morning. I just put chicken breast in there, so you guys will have to measure it.
That's 1/4. Yeah. That's a little bit of chicken. I wish I had more. I like my chicken good.
It's
So do
still
you wanna
gonna be
add-
good chicken. It's
Do you
just
think
not
we should
gonna
add
be
Yeah.
like-
Yeah, maybe two.
Probably
Two.
2. Is 1/4 just for 1 serving, but it's 4? It's supposed to
Well,
be
it
4.
says 1.
Each person gets one. Gets like. Yeah, I think we should do 2 forks.
Yeah.
Maybe 3.
What would 2/4 be if we did that math?
A half.
Half of what?
It's a half.
Half a cup.
Oh, half it.
It's a half.
Wait, what? Oh, I was thinking 2 forks.
I thought we put a hole in.
No.
All right, so you probably need to mix it together now. Is that what the
don't-
next
The
direction?
lemons. Where's the next one?
The lemons.
Is the next one the lemons?
Yep. Yeah. The lemons.
Want me to squeeze one? Do you think so?
Wait, we
Is
didn't.
it one half?
We didn't chop the celery.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
we did.
hold
We
on, hold
added
on.
it.
Yeah, we did.
Where's the
It was
lemon?
already.
Okay, yeah, it's 1 lemon, so 2.
I think we got bad lemons.
Bleh.
Oh, they're good.
They're not bad. They're just disgusting to squeeze.
It's like squeezing a lime. There it is.
I've
no
never
different.
squeezed a lemon or a lime.
Here, can you grab my spoon?
All right, you guys ready to mix it together now?
Yes.
There's no
Go ahead and mix it together.
There's a spoon in here?
No.
Yeah, I think we should just go ahead and grab it.
There's a spoon right here you use for
We
the
could use
mayonnaise.
the one that
Yeah.
we used for
Yeah.
mayonnaise.
Silas cooks at home all the time, I can tell. Alright, Silas, go ahead and mix your chicken salad up.
I want to mix it.
I need.
Oh, how weird. I want
Ooh, that looks disgusting, actually. But-
What? You don't like chicken salad?
No, I do. I've never tried it.
It's very good. It's very good.
It
I
looks
want
like it
some-
needs more chicken.
I want some raw chicken.
It doesn't look like this very much at all. And
Oh,
it looks
don't
like it
touch
needs more
your-
chicken.
Don't touch your eye after you
Touch
do
the
the
lemon.
lemon.
Can we add a little?
Yeah, let's add more chicken to that.
Let's add
one whole.
Cup.
Yes.
That's good enough.
So that means two more full spoons. One more.
One.
I get another. Alright, let me mix this first. So
I knew it. I was right. I told you we needed a whole. Let's just do a little bit
There,
more
right.
than a whole.
Perfect. Alright.
That's
So after we mix it up, what do we need next? What's our final step here with making chicken salad?
Create 4 sandwiches on whole wheat bread.
There we go.
You are the one.
You can't do
Break
too much because it'll be
Chose it.
dry.
Oh,
He's making
No, he's just setting them up. Each person should get to make their own sandwich, put it in their own.
That's perfect.
But I think
All right.
we need to make sure it's even.
bye.
Bye.
So we're just gonna make our sandwiches now. So
Yeah.
you guys ready to? Bye.
Bye.
Bye.